Suntech, ST-DF360HD Installation Operation Video, in-house or indeed manufacturing sales. 1 Machine check. Lift the machine's front acrylic door to check. Ink station check. Inspect if the waste ink outlet tube beneath the ink station is detached or loose. UV water cooling pipe inspection. Rear wiring dip switch inspection. Note, for observation only, do not change settings without consulting a customer service engineer. Wiper motor and clamping motor dip switches. Lift motor dip switch. Positioning motor dip switch. Carriage motor dip switch. Inspect the industrial PC power and motherboard network cable connections for any looseness caused by external factors. 2 Machine installation and startup inspection. Connect the power cord to a 220V50H AC outlet. Set the relay to VAC voltage. Voltage measurement. Check the voltage between live and neutral. Live to neutral voltage, 220 volts 19 to V2 for 2V. Hold the lower left key on the digital thermostat to start heating, then press the upper left key to set the temperature. Print head temperature normal operating range, 28-35 C. Check whether the exhaust system is operating normally. Remove the UV LED water tank, connect the 2 communication cables, then connect the UV cooling water pipes. Ensure the 3-pin and 4-pin connectors are correctly identified and inserted with grooves facing up. Open the white cap and fill with antifreeze, or distilled water up to the maximum level line. Close the white cap. Rotate the front black dial of the water tank to a value between 10-20. Plug in the power cord, switch on the main power, and the industrial PC will start automatically. If it does not start automatically, open the right side panel and press the silver power button to manually start the industrial all-in-one PC. Open the printer Suntech software on the industrial control all-in-one PC desktop. Click X reset while observing the ink station's up and down, movement and homing position. Click R reset, the rotation motor will perform a reciprocating motion. Press the carriage left and right buttons to check for stable and normal movement. To turn on the UV lamp, press the button on the right side panel of the machine and switch on the UV LED water tank. Keep clear of direct UV light and press the UV button to verify normal operation. Press the rotary motor button to verify stable and normal operation. Click R reset, the rotation motor will perform a back and forth motion. Open printer on the desktop. To access motor parameters, parameter settings, print head config, admin password, motor parameters. Press the displacement motor forward or back or reset controls to verify normal operation. Press the clamping motor left or right or reset controls to verify normal operation. Rotate the lift button on the right panel to check for normal operation. Activate the bottle base limit sensor to check if the base lifts and lowers normally. Adjust the inclination to verify normal operation. Connect the 4 ribbon cables to the carriage board interface. Pay attention to the orientation of the gold fingers. Position the print head and carriage board cables as shown in the diagram. Connect the carriage board D-line to the rear upper interface of the print head. Confirm the corresponding interface according to the diagram. Connect the carriage board B-line to the front upper interface of the print head. Confirm the corresponding interface according to the diagram. Connect the carriage board C-line to the rear lower interface of the print head. Confirm the corresponding interface according to the diagram. Connect the carriage board A-line to the front lower interface of the print head. Confirm the corresponding interface according to the diagram. Switch off the main power, open the top metal plate, unscrew the carriage covers and remove them. Install the carriage mainboard. Pay attention to the logo orientation. Organize the print head ribbon cables. Arrange the ink tubes in pairs according to the diagram. Take out the ink reservoirs and connect the ink tubes in the order shown in the diagram. Note, when trimming excess ink tube length, carefully confirm the correct tube length. Add ink. Please cover important items before operation. Take out the ink, shake well, and add it as needed, according to the ink cartridge color labels until the low ink alarm disappears. Requires 2 people. Remove and refill in the order VM, C, W, K. Install the ink reservoirs. Take out the syringe and, following the diagram, draw the corresponding color ink from the inside out. Requires 2 people. Remove and refill in the order VM, W, C, K. Connect the ink reservoirs to the print head, in the following order, VV, M, WC, Q. 3. Image processing. Open the locally installed Photoshop. Create a new blank document of appropriate size. The bottle circumference can be obtained from the printer Suntech software. Import the image and adjust its position and size. Rasterize the layer. Hold the Control key on the keyboard and left-click the processed image thumbnail. Channels. Create 2 new spot color channels, 1 for white base, 2 for varnish. Save the file as TIFF format. Open the Rian software on the industrial all-in-one PC. Import the file. Click Spot Color Settings to set Spot 1 and Spot 2 as spot colors. Select the image. Adjust the image size. Click Print. Select the print scheme 411 for flat printing, 4C for high relief printing. Export for printing default format is PRN. Open the printer Suntech software. Import the file processed in RAIN. Adjust the desired print style. Confirm. Adjust the white border. After debugging all movements according to the procedure, click Print. For machine printing, install the fixture and prepare for printing. Unchecked cone printing and high relief printing. Enter the material diameter. Click Download. Install a fixture adapter on both the left and right sides. Select the appropriate fixture for the bottle. Note, the bottle should be firmly secured at the top and bottom with no looseness, misalignment, or slipping. Tighten the dehex screws on the fixtures. Note, for areas with higher relief, orient them toward the print head. Return the limit plate to its initial position. Return the bottle base tray to its initial position. Loosen the right screw to allow it to lower automatically. Adjust the fixture to clamp the bottle securely, ensuring hands are clear. Adjust the bottle base limit sensor and the liftable base tray. When adjusting the distance between the UV lamp and the bottle, also turn off the UV lamp button on the right side panel. With no obstacles present, move the carriage until the any collision point is directly over the bottle. Gradually lift the platform to a 2-3 mm gap from the any collision point. Click X Reset. Calibration print. Be ready to hit stop during the first run. Print nozzle check status. Print step calibration. Print vertical calibration. Check manual print, open file, select the processed image, print for inspection, check clamping status, UV lamp distance, tilt angle, base height, carriage, any collision action test, adjust white margins, print. Select a suitable fixture, take diameter measurements at multiple points. Enable high relief printing, choose sampling points based on the bottle type, input parameters sequentially, confirm. Click Software Parameters Settings, Print Head Voltage. Select the waveform channel to be changed, import the waveform. Press Apply, download waveform. If an error appears, retry a few times until successful. After the download is successful, click X Reset. Print inspection, check clamping status, UV lamp distance, tilt angle, base height, carriage, any collision action test. Confirm print.